So Uphilile confessed when the husband found the gun because she's a loan shark. She's been loaning abafazi basesontweni imali. Yo, Mandla wacasuka. So disappointed. Mind you, Mandla is a pastor. And then decides what I'm going to go and tell indoda kaPetunia because Petunia is the one that's corrupting you. Gets over there, finds out how indoda kaPetunia knows everything. Petunia told her husband, but the loan shark thingy. And then I say, don't blame me if your wife is not honest with you. Available on Mandla with your short mean slimmer la. And then uPetunia athi ubonga umyeni wakhe for protecting her. Athi I was not protecting you, Petunia. I did this because you're my wife. Egan got why did you do that? Why didn't you tell me because my Mabizaro was threatening you? And you know what kind of trouble you have gotten into if police found the gun. You're going to just kill Mabizela. I Petunia thembise ukuthi uyekile lento kamashonisa. And then Philile ngapha, the husband even slept on the couch. Philile is trying to apologize, but uMandla is disappointed, says ukuthi uPhilile disrespected imuzi wabo, and he does not even know the woman he married, and he does not want abafazi basontweni in his church anymore. And then ngapha this captain is busy saying ukuthi the fire in Jackson's house was arson. Believes ukuthi ukhona umuntu oqalile, but Jackson tries to prove to him ukuthi hayi it was just a mistake ngishiye heater on akayithembi nje. He thinks ukuthi you are playing with fire when. And then Umartha comes up with an idea ukuthi maybe they can hire a hitman to kill uThandiswa noZwelethwa because that way they won't see them coming. But Jackson thinks because I wanted to do this myself, but there's this guy that Caesar and I use for this kind of jobs. I found this baller guy. This guy comes to his office. I'm telling you, I've got a job for you. Abana ukuthi, oh, okay, you want to revenge ukufa kaCaesar. Yes, I want you to kill this woman ne-boyfriend yakhe le uZwelethwa. Gives this guy pictures of uThandiswa noZwelethwa saying ukuthi I want you to do a clean job. I said this guy, don't worry, they'll be dead by end of the week. And then Leroy encourages Mami ukuthi when ukhulele because she was trying to drink some imbiza. Mami decides I'm just gonna go to the doctor to confirm. I feel doctor thinking ukuthi doctor will say ukuthi she's not pregnant. And doctor uzomtshela ukuthi congratulations, you're 16 weeks pregnant. Hi avela khala umamiki, she was crying. If doctor thinks ukuthi Leroy is the father, at least you have a supportive husband. I said, no, I'm the friend, I'm the gay uncle. And then uZwelethwa noThandiswa, they also went to the doctor to check if their child is okay. And they found out the baby is fine, but in the heartbeat is fine, baby is fine and healthy. So Jackson went over to Thandiswa mthwala hlezi yedwa. Afike amtshele-ke ukuthi wena I'm going to kill you. I know you tried to kill me. Athi Thandiswa, how did you make it out vela? Athi my love, uMartha saved me. Athi anyway ngizokubulala, I'm going to kill you the same way that I killed your sister uXoliswa. Hi acasuke uThandiswa took a table knife, pointed it at and put it on Jackson's neck. Kwaze kwafika-ke uZwelethwa to separate them or alamule. Holding Jackson saying, pushing him away. Athi Jackson, hey, wena ushaya nemeya, what are you thinking? Nina nje, you've just senithintile nje. Nithintinyoke emgodini, nze ikhotha imbenge omile, like you'll get what's coming for you. And mind you, Jackson has hired Inkabi, has hired a hitman to kill uThandiswa and Zwelethwa. And then uThandiswa realizes that there's someone that's actually been sitting outside the salon and watching them, which sort of gets her worried and says that she wants to tell uZwelethwa about it. And then uPhilile is worried ukuthi umndeni wakhe wants nothing to do with her. In the morning saying ukuthi nje uma wakhe is a fraud and a liar, ngeke saphinda mthemba. So, and then her husband is not even sleeping in their bedroom. So uPhilile nje is just pouring her heart out to Petunia saying ukuthi I'm going through a lot. It feels like I failed my marriage. James Shadwami Shabalala. On the other hand, her husband Mandla went to Jackson to ask for advice, saying, telling Mandla everything that Philile did, from being a loan shark to buying an unlicensed gun. Nokuzibandakanya no Mabizela. As to Jackson, do you love your wife? If you do, then you need to. Forgiveness is what the Bible says we must do. And also, I don't blame your wife for getting a gun. Mabizela has done like very bad things to people. So, and then Mandla goes home to his wife, Upilile, and actually talks to her saying, Guti, why didn't you tell me that Mabizara was threatening you? So it seems Guti he's warming up and wanting to forgive Upilile. Atinje, you need to stop this loan shark business. As I can't because Mabizela threatened me and also said that I need to sleep with him. If I don't, then it's gonna hurt you. And guys, Avela Kasuge Mandla. He was furious ukuthi umabizela ukhuluma kanjani nonkosikazi wakhe kanje. And then uLeroy asked uMamike ukuthi, who's the father of the baby? Turns out Mamike does not know who the father is. But then uLeroy reassures her that I will raise the baby. Like, it takes a village and we're here, you're not alone. We'll give this baby love and raise her. Pilile and her husband Mandla were sitting at home. Pilile gets a text from Mabizela, a call. Waqasuka Mandla saying that Delela lo and wants to go there to confront Mabizela. Pilile is like, no, let me do it. Pilile goes there saying, I can't continue with this loan shark business. It's ruining my marriage. Athi Mabizela, you're only going to stop when I say so. For kwamanje you continue. Jackson comes up and points a gun at him, saying, well, you need to leave my wife alone. I tell you when Koto wouldn't let his wife get into a loan shark business. Jason took out a gun. At Mabizela, you don't have the balls to do it. Pilile was like, please, Menam, don't do this. Don't ruin your life over this low life person. Acasukile Mabizela, yeah, stands up Mabizela, sort of challenging him, saying, you won't do it. You don't have the balls. Like he's weak and on and so forth. Mandla got furious and fired a shot. Kanzi wayikhomba eqeleni. Mabizela was scared. Like he was shocked. Also, this guy, I thought he doesn't even know how to use a gun. At sharp. Next time I won't miss. I'll point it and I'll shoot straight at your head. Uthukile Mabizela, what just happened? And then Thandiswa comes home to Zweletu. Saying that someone is following her. Zweletu is like, how? But I think Jackson is behind all this. And then Zweletu decides, you know what, I think we need to relocate, like move away from this town. Thandiswa feels like, hi man, we're running away from Jackson. Athi Zweletu, no, we need to think about the baby. Like, it's not just us anymore. There's a baby involved. We need to think about the baby. And then Zweletu is sitting at the restaurant. Realizes there's a guy who's sitting there in a newspaper. Jigi's got a book on, pretending to read. This guy looks suspicious. Ask the bartender, have you seen this guy before? To know it's the first time you're born. So let's realize something feels fishy here. And then where Pumu Zweletu goes outside and realizes how it's like someone is still following him. Pulls out his gun, looks around and sees no one. Kuzoshubala. And then Mamike, Leroy asked Mamike, how much when are you going to tell the father of the baby you are pregnant? Mamike I'm gonna and what. I said, no, you need to tell him. You need to tell him very fast because you can't just keep this to yourself. Anyway, why didn't you condomize Vele Claire? Didn't you do ABC go skolong? Hi, Mamiki. And then Ugais decides she does not feel like being home and decides to go and spend time with the mother. Mother's like, I can't, it's so busy at the hotel, let's do it tomorrow. And then guys sees Ufanyana, tells him, hey, u-anti wakho wena umamncane wakho is a loan shark business. Wathuka Ufanyana hawu, unkosikazi kamfundisi. Athi yes, yena kanye. Pilile is still shocked, saying, Baba, how could you do that? You could have gotten us killed, shooting at Mabizela like that. What if Ukubizi in Kabizake? They would have ended us. They would have killed us. Ati Mandla, I want you to promise me you're not going to do this loan shark business again. I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to do that. And then police come knocking Kwadlamini to question Mandla. Apparently, Mabizela laid a charge against him, saying that he was shooting at him. Baphike saying that Atumandla he does not even own a gun. But uyile kodwa to see uMabizela athi yes I did go. Amkhulumela umkakhe uphilile athi he went there to talk to him about being easier on the ladies because uyabahlukubeza. He's abusing the women but from church when they owe him money. And then Guy says not comfortable living at her house, saying Guti because Umawake say loan shark now she wants to live with her own biological mom, Umartha. Martha, I would say that's a big ask. I'm gonna think about it. Then Martha goes to question Uphilile, what is this I hear? You're a loan shark, man, you've got a gun, like why? What's going on? Mabizela was threatening me. God, I've thought of getting a gun. Like, what's going on? What's really happening? Do you know that Uguys is now uncomfortable of living here and wants to come and live with me? Please don't take her away from me. It's not even about me taking her away from you. She's old enough to decide where she wants to live. And then Thandiswa goes to say goodbye to Leroy and Mamiki. Uzweletu says they must leave in the morning because Uzweletu realized that there's someone that's following him also. So they decide that they're going to leave in the morning and then they must start packing. So when they're leaving, Martha sees Uzweletu putting his bags in the car, saying, where are you going? Are you running away? I never thought I'll see a day where I see you running away like a coward. How is this? This is none of your business. Shame with a tail between your legs, you're running away like a coward that you are. And then Martha calls Jackson saying, I've just seen Uzweletu running away now. And then Jackson calls a hitman then Kabi. You need to do the job as soon as possible because these guys are planning to leave or skip the country. I'm onto them. I'm actually already telling them. And then Leroy encourages Mamiki to phone the baby daddy, Golide, and tell him the news about the pregnancy. I phone again, Mamiki. Voicemail, leaves a message. And then later on, they get to speak. I'm phoning Mamiki after getting a missed call. We am chill about this whole pregnancy. I think it didn't go well. And then, because my colleague, I think he thinks she wants to trap him with the baby. If I wanted to trap someone, I would have done so with someone rich and tall. And then Leroy was like, it's the way you spoke to him, otherwise I regret sleeping with Golide. Now I'm gonna be a single mom. I'll never be a single mom. I'm here for you and I'll always be here for you, Chomek. Martha sat with Gaisa and Pilile, explaining to Gaisa, you cannot stay at the hotel. You have to stay here. This is your home. Pilile apologized to Gaisa, but Gaisa and then she confronted her parents with how Nina, why Fanyana misses home. He needs to come back here. And then Fanyana goes to church. Babak is like, please come to the house after church. Uzoli dinner as a family. Hi, and then Upilile talks to the church ladies, telling them that she cannot continue the loan shark business anymore because Umabizela threatened them. But the ladies are like, we're going to be stranded. We need the money. And to pay, you know what, we just need to learn to manage our money as well. But when I'm sure you're married, you have a man that you rely on, a man who's taking care of you. Tina, we don't have that. And then service starts. Mabizela Tutu, Nabantu bakhe in balaclavas, shooting guns, pointing guns at them, shooting at the top. Bengasathukile ibandla. Petuna fell on the floor. Umabizela takes the Bible and just shaking up everyone, saying that keep animals in your monies and cell phones. And then Mandla realizes madoda. Apologizes to Umabizela ngecwelisa you and your wife, you know how much business I lost because of you. And we are this highlight of your wife to continue the business. Please don't call my wife that. You cannot call my wife that. We are sangana wena. And then hit him on the head with his gun. Pilile is there trying to comfort the husband, trying to see if he's okay. Imagine in front of their kids, Ukaisa and Ofanyana. They were so shaken. Everyone was just scared. The church was just scared. And then Batata is into and they left. Thandiswa again Zweletu on the run. Ulero is worried with her. Why you hamba masinya? So what's going on? Can you just be honest with me? What's really going on? We'll talk later. Bahambe ke. Martha's like, are you sure umuntu wakho is going to be able to deliver this job? Jackson, yes, I trust him. Caesar and I were using him before, and he's good at what he does. And then Zweletu and Thandiswa are on the way, and then they start to realize, man, there's someone that's following us. There's a car that's following us. Can't tell a hitman got Jackson. And then this guy speeds and just when he's just parallel with them, he starts shooting at them. Uzwelethu naye keep his balance. They start shooting at each other. Now uthanda usawusingile ukuthi so that he does not catch a bullet because now sekushubile. And then Uzwelethu is like, there's a gun next to you, please take it and use it if you have to. Now they shake hand ukuthi what exactly is going on here? Hi, asazi bazosinda yini if this guy is going to kill them for real or what. And then uMamiki gets support from her friends. They just reassure her ukuthi they are there for her. Leroy is the gay uncle. And the other two are also going like, wena uzoba ubaba yena, lo uzoba mkhulu. Like, they're all there to support him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.